The number one rule of thumb is before you're throwing something away in the trash, gather yourself and think, could I sell this on eBay? While we are in the topic of traveling, if you ever visited, especially a third world country where currency is severely devaluated and you kept that currency for many years, if you were to try to exchange that into dollars, let's say, the exchange would be horrible. You might be lucky if you get a couple of cents. But if you were to sell the outdated third world currency, you will get quite a little bit of money because there are a lot of bill and coin collectors out there that are actively collecting foreign currency. So you can either exchange your money, or if you're willing to wait a few years, hold on to that money and sell it on eBay. And you will probably get way more than whatever the exchange rate is.